Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video, I am going to show you guys on how to cancel your Paramount subscription on Amazon. So in canceling your Paramount subscription on Amazon, what you need to do is go to your memberships and subscriptions, or you can just click on the link right here and then it will redirect you to this page. Then after that, select cancel subscription next to the subscription you like to cancel. So this takes you to the accounts and settings page. And then after that, under your channel section, find the subscription you wish to cancel and select cancel channel and confirm. So when I click on this link right here, I'll be redirected here. And then when I go here, I will see all of the subscriptions I have subscribed in Amazon. So one of that is Paramount. So if you want to cancel your Paramount subscription in Amazon, just go to this section right here in your Amazon website or your Amazon app, and then you will see your Paramount subscription from here. And then after that, there will be an option right there that will allow you to cancel your Paramount subscription. And then if you are using Prime Video, it says right here, if you signed up for Paramount Plus on Prime Video, which is also under Amazon, you'll need to visit amazon.com/contact us for account support. So if you're using Prime Video, you will need to contact Amazon's customer support so that they will help you in canceling your subscription for Paramount Plus. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription on Amazon.